meters long, 700 kilos, and very hungry. His last square meal was nearly a year ago. The river's other residents aren't food, just a distraction. He is waiting for something bigger from over the horizon. Finally, the sound they've all been waiting for. The herds have arrived. It's time for the crocs to get into position. All eyes will be on the big guy. Only he has the power to tackle a full-grown wildebeest. The year-long wait is almost over. After months on the march, the wildebeest are desperate to drink. But experience has taught the adults to be cautious. The water is just too inviting for a calf, unaware of the dangers within. But every wildebeest must take its chances and hope that its reflexes are faster than what many know lurks in the murky waters. Just a harmless hippo. That was no hippo. It's put the wildebeest more on edge. But here, fear always gives way to thirst. Catching the wildebeest is all about timing. The big croc's technique is rusty. It's been a whole year since his last hunt, and he's out of practice. Time for the big croc to try a different tactic. The floating log. Now the smaller crocs move in. Everyone gets their share, and it's all thanks to the big guy. He won't feed again until the wildebeest return next year.